Knickknacks here. I just wanted to come in and show today how we have a few different pieces of equipment here, but they do have different purposes. So we're able to do up to 24 inches of cutting vinyl and print to cut, things like that. We do have the ability to add a roll onto this machine right here, the silhouette, and we're able to do long prints and cuts. But the problem with trying to use vinyl for shirts and things like that is they're a lot more time consuming. You have to go through weeding and picking out every little piece, and then you also have to go through and layer them if you want multiple colors. To get the intricate colors side by side, it's nearly impossible, at least for someone like me with my level of patience. So if you're wanting something like that, that's where the Xtool apparel printer is going to come in. And as that comes in there, you're able to print all of your colors in your CMYK. You're able to do it with less effort. You click it from the machine or the computer, you send it through, and it comes out ready to just trim up the sides and press onto a shirt. So you don't have to take the extra time to weed and to deal with all of that. Plus, it lasts longer on shirts during washes and stuff like that. You can apply this to multiple different surfaces. I've got something right here. So this is actually a bag that my wife did just to show one of our customers something that we're capable of. But you can see we bought just tote bags, and we were able to put an image on this bag right here, and it comes out with all these different colors. Could you imagine trying to do that with a Cricut or with a silhouette? So it's one of those things that this kind of thing right here is made possible simply because of this machine. So we're so thankful that we were able to add this to our arsenal. We're happy that that we can meet customers' needs and make stuff like this that they can take to events. They can do giveaways. They can just carry around their groceries if they want to. So you can go all the way from shirts, hats, tote bags, backpacks, all these different items that you're able to do with this, and the simplicity is there. So if you're ever curious about, should I buy this or should I buy that, always remind yourself that it depends on the application. If you're just wanting to put some permanent vinyl on a window, then one of these two machines here is going to be your go-to. But if you're wanting to be able to print on or press onto a shirt for longevity, if you're wanting to be able to put on tote bags, backpacks, all kinds of different materials that you can iron onto, that's where your DTF machine is going to come in. And like I said, imagine the amount of time it would take if you layered this and trying to get all of the colors that you could get. It simply is not doable because of your complexity in the color schemes here. So that's kind of my take on the comparison between all of these different pieces of machinery. Like I said, there are purposes for each one of them, but whenever it comes to shirts, hats, bags, backpacks, different things like that, I believe the Xtool takes the cake. I really appreciate this machine, and it's definitely helped us in a lot of different things. And I usually don't put these plugs in there, but if you are interested in purchasing an Xtool of any caliber, whether it be the apparel printer, any of their lasers, materials, anything like that, please click the link below in the description. I'll put my affiliate link. I'm happy to be affiliated with Xtool because their equipment for me has just been beyond comparison to the other things that I've used, and we're very happy with them. So if you would like us, follow us, and continue along with us as we're looking to add more equipment and give you better content and more things that we could talk about. And so stick around. Thanks.